It's that time of the year when companies and investors reflect on their half-year performance. For the Nigerian equities market, July was particularly strong month. The stock market sustained a bullish streak throughout the month, closing July in positive territory with a remarkable 16.57% gain and rounding off with a 0.42% uptick on the last trading day. Today on Business Express, we take a closer look at what drove this bullish performance, the sectors and stocks that led the rally, and what investors should expect in the coming months. Joining us from Lagos via Zoom is Mr. Aruna Kebira, Managing Director and CEO of Globalview Capital Limited. Hello, Mr. Kebira. Thank you for joining
us. Good afternoon, and thank you for having me.
Great. Now, Mr. Kebira, the NGX has been on fire since this year. Just yesterday, Thursday, the stock market gained 0.42%. Although we are yet to get the figure for this Friday, can you give us a rundown?
Yeah, there are so many factors that are responsible. If you look at the MPC has been holding the MPR for the first three meetings they have held in 2025. Why? Because inflation is trending down. The last reading of inflation was 22%. That is on one side. The other side is that you can see that it is reported that Nigeria is now meeting its oil quota, the OPEC quota on one side, and the price at which the oil is trading is still a little bit above the budget benchmark. And because 2024 was really harsh for businesses, especially issuers that are listed on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, we saw a lot of losses. We saw some balance sheets were thrown into negative, shareholder funds were in negative. But the ease of doing business in 2025 have improved a little. The dollar is a little bit stable between 1,005 and 1,006. Fuel is also a little bit stable between 800 and 900, and we understand that it is going to come down less than that. And the quality of earnings that we are being released to the market is tremendous. You know, for every state company, especially those that have December as their year end, are supposed to release their quarter two to the exchange by July, which is the moratorium month for June ending. And all the results we have been seeing are actually good, especially those that we actually are held down for 2024. We see earnings returns in hundreds, 150%, 300%, and the market is actually ready for that. That is another one. Then secondly, the body language of the DMO is showing that yes, they want to borrow, but they are no longer aggressive. And the rate in the money market is tanking. I understand that the primary market also of both bond and treasury bill, I think last week, it's not more than 16.5%. And those that are investing in the primary market, by the time you sell your bond, you sell your treasury bill, and 20%, you will not face investment risk coming back to buy that same bond at 16%. So the next investment destination is the capital market. So as we speak now, it's like there is a lot of liquidity that is available in the capital market, especially the stock market, and there are good performances to absorb what is coming. So that is why we say what we are saying. Thank you very much.
All right. Was this rally largely driven by domestic investors, or are we seeing renewed interest from foreign portfolio investors?
You see, since the collapse of the market 2006, 2009, and when the foreign direct investors left, and the emergence of the PFAs has come to stabilize the market. Because one, their investment horizon is not short-term, 5 years, 10 years. Though FDIs are coming in, but they don't have that strong hold like the PFA has already have. So it's a combination of both the high network individuals, the PFAs, even retail investors, because the level at which the knowledge of the market is, especially for 2025, is likened to what happened between 2004 and 2009, because the investors that are in the market now are well informed. Most of them are trading from their homes. So that is even what is adding to that liquidity that we have seen in the market. Investors are well informed now.
I'm really curious, were there any surprises in the market, either in terms of unexpected gainers or underperformers?
Is it within the July? There is one thing that we
Yes.
should know. For every, when prices of stocks are going up, I remember that people took position at the early age, or people were even stuck in that stock for a long time. So the moment they believe that the stock has gotten to, they've made enough gain, they begin to sell. That is why you will hear that there is profit taking. Intermittently, there will be profit taking. And the only result that we have seen, which is this time, that I think one is from the LBNH and Total. I don't think there is any other shock that we have seen, because the investors keep on increasing their buying interest from day to day, especially when the price was rising. And when you think the price will not get to this level, the next day you discover that you gain another 10%. It just shows that there is one informed decision making and liquidity in the market.
Right, Q3 trading is already on the way. Do you expect this bullish momentum to continue? And what risks should investors be aware of?
Bury all unforeseen circumstances, because here there could be shock. If what we are seeing in Q2 are this good, I believe that Q3 will follow suit. Yes, the prices can tank, prices can hold back in the market before, especially 2004, 2008. I'm still saying that the market will be good.
Hello, Mr. Kebira, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry, I think the network threw me out.
Yeah, you understand. Now, for investors who may have missed the July rally, is it too late for them to enter the market now, or are there still opportunities?
I don't think it is too late, because what I've come to say in this 2025 market is that the end is not yet seen. Why? Because, like I said, the results, the earnings results that are coming in are the high quality. And if the macroeconomic begins to still be positive, peradventure in the next meeting of the CBN, and they have to tinker with the rates downward, it means that the environment in the money market will also become a little bit more non-profitable, and more funds will flow from money market to stock market. And the moment there is no liquidity, enough liquidity in the market, strong earnings reports, the market will still look up. And don't forget, after this Q2, the market begin to look at those that may declare juicy dividend, even if it has to come next year. I don't think it is late to take position in the market as we speak.
Advice to investors in terms of a strategy for the rest of the year?
And that is what I said. You see, we have a number of stocks that are listed. Those are just moving because all other stocks are moving, because the bull is ravaging in the market without fundamentals. You do not need, except if you are a trader, that you take position there and make what you can make. But for those that are not actually that knowledgeable about the stock market, look for fundamental stocks. You see, like we saw what happened in MTN, we saw what happened in Guinness, we saw what happened in Nigerian Breeze. Last year, 2024, they made serious losses, but they are coming back now. And the more they release good results, the higher their prices will continue to go. As at the time in Nigeria Brew released their result, I think it was 38 naira 90 kobo then, but as we speak now, Nigeria Brew are close like 73, 72 today. So you look for sound fundamental stock is what will take us, and don't have short term, like 3 months in mind. The capital market is not a kalu. Have a longer term, more than 3 months in mind. And once we do that, we cannot miss it.
All right, Mr. Kebira, what is your forecast for the markets in this third quarter?
I did it as per,
Your
is it the
projections,
Ocean
sir.
Index?
What are you projecting?
Yes, there still be growth. That is what I'm saying. You see, I'm looking at, JB, I've just talked about Nigeria Breeze. Nigeria Breeze will likely touch 100 naira, and as it's going there, the Ocean Index is impacted, and also the market cap is also impacted. And if there is listing for adventure that the petrochemical company of Dangote comes in this between now and December, is going to further boost the capital the capitalization of the market further. So I believe that there is good outlook for the market. The Ocean Index will climb further, even if there's any time that profit taking might make it to tank a little. But I believe that going forward, the Ocean Index will grow better, and the market capitalization will also grow better. And the asset under management will also grow bigger in the stock market for this quarter three.
Right, Mr. Kebira Aruna, thanks for joining us on Business Express. We now move to the